Hey DynaChain fam! Are you just starting your journey from the Web 2 world to Web 3? Don't worry, DynaChain is here to guide you every step of the way. Today, let's break down some key terms that will help you navigate this digital landscape with ease. First up, we have DApp. Think of dApps, or decentralized applications, as the apps on your smartphone, but with a twist. Instead of running on a single server, they operate across a blockchain network. Imagine a game you play online that no single company controls or can shut down. That's a DApp. It uses something called smart contracts to function, ensuring everything is transparent and runs smoothly without any middleman. Next, let's demystify exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange is like the stock market's tech-savvy cousin. It's a virtual space where you can trade cryptocurrencies. Think swapping Bitcoin for Ethereum, or even trade cryptocurrencies for traditional money, like turning your Bitcoin into US dollars. It's the hub of digital finance.